Hi, Celia. All right, I did what I suggested we try and it worked. So we're in my grade center, and these two columns were tracking the Zoom participation. This is just simply participation in Zoom on a certain date, 2 points. And the column was pink, and I decided to edit and make it no submission as the type of assignment. So let me show you here. Here it's pink. This was a few more points because I made it worth 10 because there was actually some work involved. But the point of removing the pink and the missing, so I'm here and I edit. You can edit right from the top of the grade center in each column. You don't have to go back out to assignments. So edit, and I'm going to scroll down here to submission type. And before I had put online because to me that was the closest that came to Zoom. But I'm going to click the first one, no submission. For example, we would also do this in a face-to-face class where students were turning in things physically on paper to our hands in class and not through Canvas. That would be another appropriate time to click no submission. But I do that here, and I can leave everything else the same. Save. And now let's go back out and look at it in the Grade Center again. Okay, I just have to scroll over a little bit. Aha! Follow up to Zoom class August 20th, which is the one that I just redid the submission type. So that's how it'll get rid of the pink, and then it should get rid of the missing. Let's just double check. Here's a pink box. Well, this actually is missing because this was something the student had to turn in. But it seems like that's how we're going to get rid of the pink part of the column, and then that will hopefully get rid of any sort of flag that says missing, thereby freaking out the student. So give that a try.